So on Sunday, while I was working at an e-waste event, some guy drops this card off. He claims that it was burned out, that he doesn't get any video output. So here it is. This is an EVGA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. This has the hydro copper block. I believe this was originally an XC3 Ultra series. So I put in cold water to give it the best chance, as I do not have a custom loop. And this is the only way I could see if it works. I had to also find some screws just enough to hold it in place. And I had this hooked up to my USB-C monitor, and we're able to see if it works. 3, 2, 1, smoke test. Oh, we got action. This card fucking works. This card freaking works. This card freaking works. So this has a chance of being saved. I just have to order a new heatsink for this thing, and hopefully it will be one reliable, free RTX 2080 Ti.